if you want to cancel your OpenArt AI subscription, well, this one is quite easy, but there are a few things that we need to understand here. Now, if you want to cancel your OpenArt subscription, you need to switch over to the free plan that you can access on OpenArt. So to do that, you need to go ahead and just go to OpenArt AI, log in into your account. Now at the top right, you should see your profile icon. Let's go hover over it. And from here, what you need to do is you want to go and click on the Manage Account option. Now, under Manage Account, you should be able to see a number of details about yourself. Well, at the very bottom, you should see Account. Click on Manage Subscription. That should open up a new tab here, which in this case should show you your current subscription. Now, if you are subscribed to a current plan here, what you need to do is you want to go and just choose the switch or manage subscription option, and in here you want to go and just look for the free plan. Now, if you do see the free plan in here, go and just click on subscribe or switch. And once you do see that, you just need to agree a few things, and that should basically switch you over, or that should cancel your subscription. Now, basically, what we're trying to do here is just activating the free plan instead of the available plans or the paid plans here on OpenArt. But that's about it. So, for this video, avoid the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.